From the field to the docks, farms can come in all shapes and sizes. That's why I'm talking with Laura Butler, Aquaculture Coordinator for WSDA.
So describe what aquaculture actually is.
Well, it's farming in underwater, basically. So that includes finfish, shellfish, mussels, clams, oysters, geoduck, as well as seaweed, algae, and kelp.
The Aquaculture Coordinator position is newly developed, designed to be a resource for growers across the state.
So what exactly does an aquaculture coordinator do?
This industry is not only permitted on the local level, state level, but also the federal level as well. And so you have to have a number of different permits in order to be able to farm. You know, it's everything from having, navigation obstacles to protecting clean water, as well as protecting human health of the product they're harvesting. They touch on more agencies than almost any other industry in Washington in terms of permitting, so it can be really complex for them to navigate. So we'll help them through that process as well.
WSDA also focuses on marketing to help growers sell their product.
Part of that marketing is working with our foreign trade partners and connecting growers with those foreign trade partners. And then we also work domestically to tell the story of aquaculture, talk about its history, talk about the importance of aquaculture for a clean environment.
Why is aquaculture a big deal here in Washington?
Well, Washington is the #1 producer of aquaculture products in the country. Washington's known throughout the world as having some of the cleanest and best seafood out there.
But beyond that, aquaculture in Washington has a rich history.
I think one of the coolest things about aquaculture in Washington is that it's one of the oldest, exported products out of Washington. We've been commercially farming shellfish in this state since the mid-1800s, but culturally it's been significant for our tribes for thousands of years. So it's one of the part of Washington's heritage.
Aside from permits, there are other obstacles that aquaculture farmers have to face as well.
They rely on clean water, so they're big advocates for the clean water and clean environment. So they're, always working to protect the water and working to, make sure that things are cleaned up, that we're not having pollution, and protecting the environment as well.
Do you have a favorite seafood?
I don't know if I can claim a favorite. I really like geoduck.
Do you?
Yeah, geoduck ceviche is probably my favorite.
That's good stuff.
Although I'm a big oyster fan as well. I like all seafood.
Yeah.
So.